Hey traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and what we're going to do right here in this video is take a look at the market here. I'm going to give my thoughts so you can hopefully learn and gain a lot of knowledge from this video, and hopefully it gives you guys some nice profitable trading ideas so you can make some money in the market. So before we get started here, what I want you guys to do, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage of the website and just really get to know us better. Because when you get to know us better, you're going to see what it's all about. You're going to see what our current members are saying about the membership, because that's a really good way to get a feel for the service and what is going to give you once you sign up, because I'm biased. It's my own service, but there's a lot of members here that are really going to share with you their thoughts, and once you get to know us better, you see those testimonials, you see these reviews, then go ahead and sign up for this membership at the end of the video, because it's a really great opportunity to start receiving winning trade alerts. And these are the same alerts that these current members are getting on a daily basis. If you're sick and tired of losing money in the market and making silly mistakes in the market, this is a really great opportunity to stop that and to start making winning trades in the market, because we're delivering alerts to you in real time, and these are profitable trading alerts delivered in real time directly to your cell phone. And the cool part is that you actually can trade from anywhere because they're delivered to your cell phone. You don't have to sit at a desk all day long or worry about doing any kind of charting or analysis. We have you covered on that. So it's a great opportunity. And what I also want to mention too is that we actually are raising the prices soon. We're seeing a big influx in members. We're growing at a rapid pace, and we want to keep the community at a tight-knit level here, so we can still serve you guys at the highest possible level. So we're going to raise the prices soon. And I want you guys, if you're interested in the membership, which I'm assuming you are, then it's a really good opportunity to actually get in right now while these prices are still really low in comparison to what they're going to be very soon. So I want you guys to get in while the rates are still low here, so you can get that really good deal. And before we get started with the charts, really quick, what I want you to do is really think about what it's going to be like 30 days from now. Really envision the future 30 days from now, after you've signed up, after you've signed up and you're making those winning trades, and maybe you've made your first couple $1,000s in the stock market. That's what it's going to be like, in 30 days from now. So really picture that in your mind so that you can really get a good idea of what it's going to be like. All right, so let's take a look at the market here. We're going to look at the S&P 500. We've been calling for bounces here. We've gotten that. But really quick, I'll take a wider picture here on the market so that you can really get a feel for what I'm thinking here. Okay, so this is the daily chart going back a couple of years here, all the way to 2000, the very end of 2016. Are you seeing this here? You guys got this? Cool. Okay, so we've got this trend line that started right here. And do you see how many hits it's gotten there? Here's another one. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? We're seeing a lot of hits against this trend line. And it's really a valid trend line. You can see how many hits it's gotten. And just recently, we've got a hit right there. I mean, is this making sense to you guys? nod your head if it's making sense. Okay, exactly. So, a lot of hits against this trend line means that we're in a nice big uptrend, and right here pinning against that level once again. You have to give the uptrend more of the benefit, okay? Because the market's been in a big uptrend. Yeah, we took this big hit right here for a while, but it just needed a rest. When you're taking a big move up here, you just need a rest. Does that make sense? Yeah, it makes sense, totally. So I'm glad you guys are getting this. So once again, we've got another bounce against this trend line here. Confirm that on Friday's action. Okay, when we did a last video last year, when we hammered off of this trend line, we called for a bounce. We got that bounce. And does that make sense to you guys? Like why we're bouncing here? Because of that trend line. Yeah, exactly. It definitely makes sense. So I really want you guys to get this. So we're right here at this downtrend line. You can see it started here, there, and here. You see how important that downtrend line is, guys? Yeah, so we're right here at that downtrend line. We're pinning between these two levels, and we've been trading virtually sideways here since kind of the end of March. Do you see that? Do you see how we've been trading sideways here in this range for about a month and a half now? Yeah, it's very obvious. So we're right here in this range. We've got the Bollinger Band squeezing tight. Here's the upper Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger Band. You guys see that? Yeah, so why does that matter? It matters because we've been trading sideways here, and the Bollinger Bands are just kind of a nice little visual representation of how tight that range is. And eventually we're going to expand out of that range, okay? See kind of like how we did over here. We traded sideways a little bit, and then we broke out of the range. You can see how the Bollinger Bands got really tight. See how tight they got there? Yeah, they're really, really tight. So they finally broke out over that range, and you can see huge breakout right there, all right? So the other thing I want to mention is this pattern here, ranging back and forth. I mean, do you see the pattern here? See how it gets wide, and then it starts curling up and getting tighter and tighter right here. You see how tight it gets? Yeah, it's building up energy for that next move higher, all right? And, I'm looking at a lot of charts, individual charts, not just here looking at the market, but I'm looking at a lot of charts every single day, and I'm seeing a lot of things that are showing me bullish signs here, aside from what I've mentioned here. So does that make sense? That you have to look at not just the S&P 500, but you have to look at all the individual stocks as well. So that's kind of what I'm seeing here. We've got the 50-day moving average just above, and this is the breakout point. Does that make sense? Why it's the breakout point? Yeah, because it's created lower highs. Here's a high, lower high, lower high. Here's a lower high. But if we break this high over that trend line, then that will signal that this little mini downtrend that we've experienced since January is going to end. Is that making sense for you? Yeah, definitely. It's really simple stuff. So that's what we like to focus here on at thetradinganalyst.com. This is really easy to implement stuff, and anyone can follow along with it. So again, thank you for stopping by and watching the video. I really hope that you learned a lot and that you're going to grow as a trader from watching this video. So if you want to learn and grow even more as a trader, then what I suggest you do is sign up right now for the membership. Again, the prices are going up, and I don't want you to miss out, because if you wait to sign up, you're going to have to pay a higher rate. So take this opportunity to stop making losing trades in the market and to start making winning trades in the market via these profitable trading alerts that we send to you in real time via text message, both the buy and the sell alerts, so you're never going to miss a beat in the market ever again. When you're laying in bed tonight trying to go to sleep, you're going to be thinking, if you didn't sign up today, you're going to be thinking, laying in bed there thinking, why didn't I take action? Why didn't I sign up? Why didn't I take this opportunity? And it's when those thoughts come into your mind tonight when you go to bed that you should have known that you should have taken action and signed up here for the membership. So I really don't want you to miss out. Take action and sign up for this membership so that you don't have those thoughts tonight. All right, guys, thank you, and I will see you next time.